What's up, SaaS Masters? My name's George, and today I want to show you FunnelToGo. This one is a funnel builder, and what's interesting about it is that it was built based on the founder's needs. So the founder had this SaaS created based on real usage and real needs that a funnel builder needs. So right now there's a lifetime deal going on, so check that link in the description. Let's go jump over to the dashboard and check it out. All right, guys, this is the deal that's going on right now, and it's only $49 for a lifetime deal. So that means you pay once and you can use it forever. Now, $49 gets you 5 funnel pages and 10 sub pages inside of those funnels. Now, good things that they have is split test, integration email with your own SMTP. You got PayPal integration, pre-built shop modules, iframe function. So what that means is that when you build the funnel, you can export this. Well, you can grab the code of iframe and embed it on your own site if you want to. HTML export is a really good option because if you don't want to use FunnelToGo hosting, you can host it on your own because you get all the files that you need to host it elsewhere. And right now there's available English, Slovenian, and Italian. So if you guys want to check it out for yourself, there's a free demo. You don't need to put any credit card or anything. Test it out for yourself. Okay, this is the dashboard for FunnelToGo, and it's pretty simple, and there's a reason for that. Now, the founder believes that the more simple the funnel is, the more sales that you get. And honestly, it makes sense because the people who have been most successful with funnels have really simple funnel pages. I don't know why, because personally, I like really nice looking funnels, but the most successful ones are the simple ones. Don't know why, but that's how it is. That's a fact. Okay, so this is where we add our new funnel, and we'll get to that in a bit. There's templates available. Now, right now, there's not a lot of templates, but the founder has said that they will add more. Plus, I saw a little back preview that they will add later on. For the funnels that you build, you will be able to add them in a marketplace inside of here. So later on, you could sell these to people who want that funnel that you already built. So that's a cool feature that they will be adding. Statistics right here. So once you have your funnels going, you will have basic statistics. Activities, you got your orders for the sales that you've made. Your mailing list, your autoresponder. So for autoresponders, you will add it right here. You have the mailing list, and we have settings with my profile, and that's about it, right? So let's go into the funnels because this is the important part, right? So this is what we want, build a funnel. So let's add a brand new funnel right here. And this is how the builder works. Let me show you really quickly. You got the move, which will let you add rows. For example, I want a full column. I want a triple column, and then another full column, and these. So that's how you would add those. And then we have text fields, which would be right here, text objects. We have the input fields. So for example, we'll put in H1 header to get started, right? And the header would be edited over here. So this is where you move, you add your columns, and this is where you would edit those settings. So right now I can change this to SaaS Master. All right, just keep that there. Let's go back to move and add some more things. So for example, in this row, we can add a input fields. We'll add it on this one, on the centered one. Okay, so the input fields would be, we want first name. Okay, we want last name. Hold on, let me add it down. Oh, last name. And there, an input field. We have a text area. And we have a radio button if we want to add that. And then we have the button that we want to add to these fields right here. We'll add a simple CAPTCHA before that. And we'll add GDPR right there, consent. So they have to consent to that. And consent, no. So email checkbox for this also. So in this case, they added that option because many people don't want to, or maybe you want them to have the option to subscribe to your mailing list. So you have that little check mark to have that available, okay? If we want to add images, those will be right here. So image and videos. So if I wanted to add an image, I'll add it right there. And that's where you insert it. But to edit all of this, we go to the edit section. So now we get that little button right here to remove or edit. So for example, if I edit this section, we have, for example, we want to make it required. Obviously, we want to know the name. Something that has to be required also would be, I don't know, last name, edit that, require that one. If you want to add image, I'll click here. And we have the basic data for this image. So use image as the main photo, disable photo pop-up, photo padding. So if you want to add some padding right there, and the photo upload. So let me grab a photo and put it in here right now. All right, so I grabbed that photo and it should be uploading right now. So let's wait for that to upload. And there's my photo. Obviously it's really big. Obviously you would put something really nice. I am not trying to build a nice funnel. I am just trying to show you around FunnelToGo. Okay, so that's what you would add a photo, and it could be a video also. We can move this section again if we go back to move. So for example, if I want to put this on top right there, and again, just keep it like that. And in this case, we'll remove this H1 for this purpose. Go back to edit and delete. By the way, they haven't added the function to undo, so it's really important that you save. So each time that you save, there's a saved version, and you can see them right here. So for example, if you missed something or you made a mistake, you have saved versions right here. So obviously there's only one right now, so it's not showing, but when you add more, you will see them right there. Let's go back to edit, and you have more options. So for example, the button, if we want to change that color, the background color would be, I don't know, I'm kind of more of a green guy because that's what my logo is. And that's okay. The color, we'll keep it black when you hover over it. Okay. No, well, yeah, let's keep it like that. You can add some padding right here if you need. So for example, some padding like that and some padding like this to make it a little bit smaller, a little bit better. Okay, let's save that again. And we should be good to do that funnel for now. Let me show you that right now. So I'm gonna publish that. Oh, need to enter, oh, my bad. Okay, this is where you add your page address, which I would call it funnels. I would save it, and I'm gonna preview it right here. So let's preview that. Oh, let's preview that right here. And there we go. Just basic funnel really quickly, you know, logo and all that. Obviously it's a huge logo. I would put a really nice image there to make it look good. We have our information right here for the form that we've built. Now we can also do more. So let's go back to the funnel. So let's edit the funnel again. And I'm gonna show you the cart options, okay? So let's go back into the move section. Let's go down here. Let's add another row of 3 right here. And that should be good. Okay, so now we can add the cart option. So we got the payment and delivery options right here. We also have the shopping modules. So let me add the shopping modules first. Shopping module, and another one right here. So there's these type of modules. Let me show you how we edit those. Again, go to edit. We have the options, and we have 2 type of views. Let me show you where that view is. No, the layout over here. No, okay, here it is. So you have the horizontal and the top view. So for example, if you want the image on the top, or if you want it this way on the left. So we'll keep it this way. Let's change all of these. Oops, click on that and click on that. Okay, so again, we can add the image to all of these, and we have the information, for example, basic data, which is the price. In this case, we'll say 10. Now, right now it's based on euros. We can use it as a thumbnail, disable photo pop-up. We have the button options right here. We'll just keep those for now. The stickers, if you want to add those, sticker label. So for example, sale or promo or whatever you want to use, Black Friday sale, whatever, so on and so forth. You can change the colors there also. The layout, we have the padding settings right here. Padding photo, also we'll do that. And shop module margin. So for example, kind of keep it there. Okay, background color, if we want to change that, we don't want to, we could do a little bit gray. No, we'll keep it that way. I'll add the whole thing. Border, if you want a little bit of border right here, see how that adds there. We'll keep that at 0, and image and border also, and upload a photo. So again, gonna upload a photo. I'm gonna use the same one. Okay, let's wait for that to upload. And there we go. There's the photo for this. So this is 10 euros for this product, and you can change obviously the description and all that stuff if you want. So for example, this is sales video, and the title would be video promo. All right, so we'll keep it that way. And again, let's save, and let's preview that really quickly. I know we haven't added all of those, but just to show you how that is looking. Okay, let's go down here, and we have our cart right here. So this is really stuck to the bottom. We can add a footer. Oops, over here. Go back to edit. We can add a footer, or we can add another section right here. So if we add a row, that would add some padding, so we have a little space on the bottom. Now again, we'll add another section right here. And right here, we are going to add these other functions. So we have a payment and delivery system. So we can add the cart right there, the cart option, the payment method, and delivery method if this is something that's for delivery, if it's not digital. And you have options available right here. So let's go back to the edit these right here. So for example, the options for the cart you have right here. So show floating cart. So that means there's a little cart floating on the top right if you added a product. So that looks a little bit nice. And you have a timer for that pop-up. Padding for that also. Settings on this for the payment methods. So we got these three available, or we can modify this one. And we can remove something if we don't use it. So for example, if you're not taking bank transfers, then just remove it. And we have padding available also. And for the delivery method, we have to add our delivery method. So for example, we can say USPS, we can say FedEx, FedEx, and so on and so forth. Again, save it. Let's preview this again. Okay, and we have this available now. And if we add this item, so for example, if I add that, oh, we're on the demo. But if I click on that, we can see the little shopping cart icon. So let's go back. Let's publish this. Okay. And there we go. So we got that little shopping cart icon there, okay? So right now it says 0, and if we buy this item, it will be added. So we have an added item right there, and we can add more things if we want. And for example, obviously this is the main sales product, and that's an add-on right there. So pay on delivery, PayPal, so on and so forth. So for example, if I want to add another one, it adds 2 to it, and now it's 20 euros for that. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to get that done, okay? So those are basic settings right there. We have more. So for example, we have the phone box, we got the web shop module we saw right now with cookie consent, HTML and JavaScript. So for example, let me drop that in right here. Consent to JavaScript. So for example, if you need to add something here, which is a script, you can edit that right there and add your own code right there. Now also, if you want to add more pages into this funnel, you will have to go into Move, and you have the add and clone pages. So I can add a clone page right here. Maybe that makes it easier for me because I want to use the same header and some of the things I already made. Maybe that's something I want to do. So I clone that right there. And now this is page 1-CL. Now if we want to change those settings right here, those will be right here in the basic. Change what that says right here on the page layout. So we got the layout settings, we got the edit page, we have the price and shipping cost information, we have the cookie consent, we have advanced settings, we have the SEO settings for the meta tag and SEO. We got the MISC settings, so UTM campaigns. So you can add your own UTM to this URL to make it even better for tracking. You can embed, remember I told you about that. You have the iframe to embed this on a site. You have domain masking, and you have HTML, which will generate all the files needed to host this on your own site. So all the files, you got the PHP and the HTML, and you drop it on your hosting and you're ready to go. HTML, if you want to add some HTML to the whole thing. So for example, let's just say you have a chat widget, you can add it right there. You have the help settings right here. So if you need help from them, you can type a message there that you're having trouble with something, and that's the way that would go. So basically that is how FunnelToGo works. Like I said before, it's not super fancy. It's meant to be something that's not complex and to work just like it should. Now, like I said before, it's built based on the founder's needs. So that makes it even interesting to some people, or maybe not, because you might want different functionalities. But overall, there you go. That is FunnelToGo. And like I said before, there's a deal going on. If you guys want to grab that deal, that link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. My name is George. This is SaaS Master, and I'll see you guys later.